Alright guys, so no matter which AirPods you guys got, this is the unboxing for it. So here we go. So here's the AirPods, and right now we're gonna go on. You guys can see that it's all sealed. You should see a serial number down there. And you might be watching this because there's a lot of fakes going out there which include a real serial number, which is something new to me. They used to never work like that. They would never include something real, but now they just copied serial number from somebody, and then now they're just copying into others. Anyways, it would be a sealed box like this. This I got directly from the Apple store. And let me just open it up. So here we go, finally got the plastic out. Gonna open this up. You should be getting this and the AirPods. Let me just show you everything that's inside here. You get this manual, which by the way, I have a video how to set this up. Extremely easy. You get these as well. You get some of these, and then this one. Now inside the box, here's the AirPods, and there would be nothing else besides this cable down here below. So like I mentioned, this is the cable that you would get with your AirPods. Standard cable, your iPhone one. If you have an older iPhone, this cable would work as well. And finally, let's take a look at the AirPods. Now let me just mention that unfortunately, since they're making such really good copies of legit AirPods, well, the only way really for you guys to see if they're real or not is to in fact test them out. So you will have to take them out, sync them up, and if they work and it tells you that they're AirPods, actual AirPods, then you're good to go. They're the real thing. But the fakes look pretty much the same thing as the real ones, such as these. Again, I got these from the Apple store, so these are the real ones. It's gonna tell you left and right. That's how you know which one's which. And up here you're gonna see a bit of more details about it, but that's about it. Now here's the case that you guys get with it. It's a really nice case. Opens up this way. Put them in there. You should see that light popping up, by the way, and see that down there. That's how it charges. So to charge these guys, you literally just place them there, place it there, and they're charging right now. So that's how you guys can charge your AirPods, just by placing them in here, and you will see that light blinking. Now as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.